In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning text effect in Photoshop. So let's dive right in. First, select the text tool and type the word graphic. Once your text is ready, right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This will let you make changes easily later on. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Now drag the duplicated layer down the original. Drag this text down slightly to create some separation. Adjust the position until you're happy with the layout. Double-click on this text layer to open the blending options. From here, apply the following settings. Hold the Alt key and drag the text layer upwards to make a copy. Select both layers and press Ctrl+G to group them together. Now click on the group you just made and add a layer mask. Select the brush tool and make sure your foreground color is set to black. Use the brush to paint on the layer mask. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of the layer group. Choose this layer. Drag this up and adjust the position. Now choose this layer. Drag this down and adjust the position. Click on Mask. Choose Brush Tool and paint like this. With both groups selected, press Ctrl+G again to group them together. Now go to Layer Styles and choose Gradient Overlay. Follow these gradient settings. Finally, go to the Adjustment layer and choose Hue and Saturation. Slide the hue to change the gradient colors and give your text a unique look. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.